Karl Gebhardt, Science.
We are unable to model what is going on inside of a black hole. It's a location where all of our equations are breaking down.
At the University of Texas at Austin, Dr. Karl Gebhardt is shedding new light on the formation of galaxies. His research shows that black holes play a vital role in how galaxies are formed.
In something like astronomy, where there's lots of messy physics, when you make a galaxy, there's stars that are forming all over the place, there are jets being shot out of the black hole in the middle of the galaxy. Once you get a correlation that's so tight, it means something fundamental about how you make the galaxy and how that is related to the black hole mass.
Karl has uncovered a strong correlation between the mass of a black hole and the formation of a galaxy, forcing scientists to rethink how galaxies evolve. Karl has also made the first ever discovery of an intermediate-sized black hole, an assertion initially met with controversy since only so-called large and small black holes were thought to have existed. But further research confirmed his finding and quieted skeptics.
This is one of the galaxies where I saw a spatial offset between the two AGN emission components.
In velocity.
And so spatially, there's like a thing here.
Karl's latest discoveries are literally his biggest. In early 2011, he measured a black hole 7 billion times larger than the Sun, the largest black hole ever recorded. Just months later, he and a colleague measured 2 black holes, each with about 10 billion times the mass of the Sun.
The mass of these very large black holes has very significant implications. It sets the scale for how large a galaxy you can actually build and how large a black hole you can actually build.
Karl isn't resting on his laurels. As a project scientist of the Hobby Everly Telescope Dark Energy Experiment, he and his team will try to determine why the universe is expanding at such a high rate. They'll do that by mapping the positions and velocities of over 1 million galaxies.
He has a real knack of finding where the forefront is and working there, and I'm completely confident he will do that. He has gone from sort of one clever idea to another throughout the course of his career, so there's little doubt in my mind that he will find something else to do after this HETDEX thing runs its course.
Is that going to be on each detector then?
Yeah, so each detector.
Karl plans to continue to try and solve the mysteries that surround black holes and their place in our universe.
That's one of the great attractions for me as a scientist and for the public as well. You know, you have this great mystery. We just don't know, and you know that's why it's so attractive.